Our mission is to fairly and efficiently administer taxes for the state of Maine with integrity and professionalism. The Income and Estate Tax Division is actually the largest division in Maine Revenue Services. It includes various tax types. So we have individual income tax, which accounts for half of the revenue, roughly half of the revenue at Maine Revenue Services. We have corporate audit, we have a fraud unit, we have estate tax, we have fiduciary income tax, and we also have a legislative unit.
When I started as a tax examiner, I wasn't really sure what to expect. What I found is that, taxation covers a whole variety of topics, and I found that there was a lot of opportunity to train in different areas.
When I first started, I knew nothing about taxes. I was more of a reading, writing person.
Can anybody claim you as a dependent?
And then once I started and getting into learning that the job is more of a puzzle, and math-related puzzles and everything, I got really into it, and then it's progressed into my career now.
Probably one of the most important skills for a tax examiner is the ability to learn. Tax law is ever-changing, and so we're continuously learning new topics.
Part of the service that Maine Revenue Services provides is to educate the public on how to file their taxes.
Part of our ability to help work with taxpayers and tax preparers is being able to communicate tax law and just talk about the review that we've done on returns, any corrections that we've made. So I do enjoy working for Maine Revenue Services. I've been given a lot of opportunity in my time here to promote and work my way up. And along the way, I've had the opportunity to train, learn new skills, and just expand on my knowledge.
So Maine Revenue Services offers really great growth opportunity. We actually have a 2-year trainee program where staff will begin as a tax examiner 1 and then progress to a tax examiner 2 after completing 12 months of experience at the tax examiner 1 level and demonstrating that they've met certain competencies.
Maine Revenue Services, this is Todd.
Well, I'm a tax examiner 2. I specialize in finding fraudulent tax returns, answering phone calls from a multitude of different individuals, including just taxpayers, entities, or companies who have questions about their payroll.
After 12 months as a tax examiner 2 and demonstrating certain competencies, they would have the opportunity to promote to a tax examiner 3.
We're really looking for people that don't necessarily have the tax background, but if you have the skills to do the job, we offer a lot of training and we can work with that.
The training here is phenomenal. You start off with some systems training as well as some classroom training of the general forms that you're going to be seeing every day.
That ability to learn, that eagerness and willingness to help others, those are some of the core things that we look for in candidates, and that can really make you successful in the job.
Your job as a tax examiner is trying to find all the pieces of the puzzle, gather them all up, complete the picture, and then show the taxpayer or the individual asking the question the answer.
If you're looking for work that will keep you challenged and interested and feel a sense of satisfaction, definitely look into a career here at Maine Revenue Services.